question 5, then let's try and put this information into a Venn diagram. So we know then the total number of students is 32, number who speaks French is 16, so number who don't speak English is 18, and the last one's probably the helpful starting point, because you can actually put a value into the Venn diagram. It says the number of elements in the complement of the intersection of E and F is 28. So that means that everything outside of this complement is 28. We know that we must have 4 elements in here. If we've got 4 elements in there, then it says that the number of people who speak French is 16, so that means you've got 12 there. It then says the number of people who do not speak English is 18, so if you've got 12 already here, that means we must have an additional 6 outside here. And then if we add those up, then 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 12, 22. That means that we must have a remaining 10 students in here to have a total of 32. Meaning that the answer in our question, how many students only speak English, is 10. Question 6, then again we'll try and put this into a Venn diagram. So it says that a total group consists of people who can speak German or English and speak at least one. So that means that we've got no elements outside of that union. So 60% can speak German and 80% can speak English. So if I put that into decimal notations, then we're looking to find what percentage speaks in this intersection. So it's an unknown, so we call it X. We could then call this part here 0.6 minus X, or label that part 0.6 minus X. And similarly, if we've got 80% to speak English, we can call it 0.8 minus X. And so when we add up all of those 3 segments, 0.6 minus X plus 0.8 minus X, what we should get is a total of 100%, or 1 if we're talking in decimals. And so what we end up with is 0.6 plus 0.8, so 1.4 minus X is equal to 1. And so we can see that X must be equal to 0.4. There we go. Meaning that we've got 0.2 here and 0.4 here. It says there are 8 people who can speak both languages. So 40% is equal to 8 people. Well, we can see that we must have another 8 people here, and then half of 40% is 20. So that means in total we've got 20 people.